Hello everyone, this is Kiwi Aviation back again with another model review, and in today's model review we'll be taking a look at a different model company, and that is Gemini Jets, and this is their 1 to 400 scale Kiwi International Airlines Boeing 727-200. So if you have not heard of this company, or if you had, it doesn't need any introduction, but this is a really good model company, at least the older models. The newer ones are, for some odd reason, the newer ones are having their scales um not scaled to the real aircraft, but I like their older models, so yeah, as well as the newer ones. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. Here's the box of the model. The side, the back. Now, difference compared to Herpa, they don't have the height, width, as well as the wingspan of their aircraft. So yeah. And I took out the model out already, so turn on the light. Okay. So here it is, here's the model. Like I said, Gemini Jets makes good model of their aircrafts. So this is the Boeing 727-200. So the 727-200 has 4 exits, four doors for their aircraft. Let me just get in a little bit closer here. Cockpit windows look very nice. Let's look at the back. The back looks good. The landing gear wheels look very nice. And there's a little American flag over there. So yeah, like I said, Gemini Jets does really good models because they put the unique details on their wings here, as well as the pretty much of the aircraft here scaled pretty good. But I still like Herpa models because they have like 1 to 500 scale, and yeah. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much about it for this model review. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you next time in the next model review. Peace.